everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I know I have been around doing stuff and I started a new job, so it's kind of difficult. I'm just trying to adjust to my new schedule. But what we came here to talk today is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line. Now these products, I wanted to try them for a while now, but for some reason I was not able to try them. And as you can see, my hair looks amazing. I love these products and I approve these products. The reason I do love them is because I have volume and I have definition with a little bit of frizz, but I love the results. As you can see, today is day number 2. Yesterday was my wash day, and I love the results. I was not expecting these results at all. Now I'm gonna go and show you step by step how I use all these products, and I'm gonna tell you my opinion of each of one of them. So let's start with the shampoo. So this shampoo, well, this entire collection is formulated with rice curl complex, and it's a blend of rice, keratin, amino acids, and enzymes to hydrate, condition, protect, and enhance curl retention. So this shampoo, first of all, it was the first product that I used from this collection. This shampoo, I really enjoy using this. I love how much lather it actually does. Here says that it will gently restore elasticity. The entire line is sulfate free and silicone free and all that damaging ingredients free. It's also safe for natural and color treated hair. Now moving on, my second product, which I think is my favorite product from the whole collection, is this 3-in-1 conditioner. So this conditioner is amazing. It's not a regular conditioner. Now this conditioner is 3-in-1. You can use it as a rinse out, co-wash, or leave-in. Yes, you can use this as a leave-in. So in this wash day, I decided to use this conditioner as a leave-in just to give it a try. So I love how lightweight it feels, this 3-in-1 conditioner. So definitely I recommend you to try it and leave this as a leave-in. So this was my second step on the wash day. So moving on with the stylers, I wasn't sure if I was gonna buy the big ones because I was not expecting these results. But now that I do like them, I will get them at Ulta very soon. And they're not sponsoring this video, just making sure. So my first styler is this defining cream. This defining cream, it helps you to lock in moisture, defreeze, and add shine to define your true curls. So I like it. This one actually, I will say, of all the stylers, including the leave-in, well, the 3-in-1 conditioner, which I use as a leave-in, this defining cream is the thicker one. So this says that you should put a small amount evenly from roots to ends, adding more as needed, and you can air dry or style as desired. Also is safe for color treated hair. Alright, moving on with the next styler that I use is the Mousse. I'm not a fan of Mousse, but I actually like it. I like the fact that this will keep your curls beautiful, defined with a light touchable hold, and it says also that will give you long-lasting humidity control, provides protection against environmental stressors for perfectly moisturized curls. Okay, so this was my second step, and I actually enjoy using this one. And as you can see, I didn't expect that this much amount will come from the little thingy here. I am surprised the work that this mousse did work actually on my hair. Now, so my final styler that I use is the gel. I love gels. Why? Because I think it's just a perfect styler. I love gels, especially combining gels with leave-ins or creams. That's my win-win for my curls. Now, this is my final step. This is the final product that I use from this Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line, and this gel feels very, very lightweight. I like my curls to feel touchable but defined, also to have volume, because sometimes when you apply a gel that has too much hold, then it's very difficult to get that volume, because then your curls are so defined. It's not my thing, but I do like gels who gives you a little bit of definition like this one, and actually you get volume at the same time. This gel is a frizz control sculpting gel. This gel will keep your look flake free and lock in place with a firm yet flexible hold. It says here that will sculpt and shape your curls to activate a long-lasting frizz-free style that moves with you. And let me tell you something, my curls, they move with me, okay? I am in love with this collection. I haven't tried the entire collection because there's more to this. But these ones right here, this shampoo, this 3-in-1 conditioner, which I believe is my favorite, this defining cream, this mousse, and this gel, they just win my heart. I recommend this product. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I approve this Not Your Mother's Curl Talk collection. These particular products that I have used in this video, I love them completely, and yes, I will buy them again, and I hope that you like them too. If you haven't tried these products and you are just curious to try them, you can find these products at Ulta. And worst case scenario, if by any chance these products do not work for you or for your curl type, worst thing that could happen, you can return these products at Ulta and they just give you your money back. So, saying that, if you love this video, enjoy this video, love the results from my curls, please just like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.